What's up? It's me, John from John's Happy Day. So I switched a few things around in my room, and I thought maybe I should do a room tour. And I'm gonna, I'm wearing my wig, Stranger Things wig, Dustin wig. Got my thinking cap on. Help me remember stuff. Okay, so right here is like all my hair stuff. Then my mirror. Didn't know I have the Stranger Things thing in the back. I survived Hawkins 85. And here's my old TV, some tool, my DVD player, NES, my Wii. There's some other stuff there's my other TV. Probably going a little fast. So that's for my cat. I don't know what that is. Can you put it on a shelf? Yeah. So here's my closet. It's got my plushes in it. And there's this gun. It's a toy gun. Me and my mom did this. I put the Red Ryder one. And there's some of this stuff. Got my gaming chair. And I got more shelf. My Pound Puppy is just all kinds of stuff. My Polaroid camera. Yeah, it's a new box. It's football cards. This is all card stuff. Anything to do with cards goes on the shelf. Here's my bed. The nightstand. That's how I didn't get this right here. I got some pictures and posters. You remember that? Blocked off from here. Here's like my Stranger Things stuff. So I have Dustin 11, Lucas, Mike, Dustin, Demogorgon. Where's that Will? Will's down there. It's my first Lucas, my first Mike. I think my Will's downstairs. There's both of the 11 from season 4 back there. I'll move this one. I made this because I was making a video about the corn stuff. That's this 11. And I have this 11 from season 3. I've never opened that 11 before. Let's check her out. I just wanted to check her out. Sorry if you can't see. Here's my connects and stuff. That looks nice out of the box. What nice is her? I didn't know it was orange. It's 11. Guys, if you haven't watched Stranger Things season 4, go watch it. It's so good. So good. You have to watch it if you like Stranger Things. If you're still in season 3, you gotta hurry up. There's my desk. Here are all my Legos. There's my Lego Harry Potter, another Lego Harry Potter. I made that. It's like an ambulance. There's some Lego Star Wars, boat, theater. Then I have my Lightbright stuff, dominoes. I forget what's in here. The more Legos. That's real much. There's this, my suitcase for traveling. My dresser. There I got some stuff. Well, it's a little messy with clothes and stuff. Just don't get that much time to clean my room. That's it for my room tour. Sorry. I'm looking at my mirror so I can see what's happening. So, thanks for watching if you watched for the whole thing. And go check out other videos. Bye.